Hi guys, welcome to my channel. And now I'm doing a lemon challenge. This is a fresh lemon. I'm squishy it. I got loads of juice on it. I'm squish. It's gotten soft. And then you know that lemon is got loads of benefits on our body. Got full of antioxidant, vitamin C, it's also, if you wanted to, you can Google it. So this is for losing weight. This is I'm trying to do every day to make losing weight. Every day is one lemon a day. So I'm squeeze it. Look, you got a full of juice on it. You can see. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, full of juice. So I'm gonna every day. Oh, I love it. This is for 3 days now that I'm doing this lemon. So I'm really squishy the what you call the skin, squishy like that, and then suck it. It's very nice.
With some glass shelf holding, because that's dangerous. If that falls
No,
off
no.
and it smashes,
I'm on live in there.
there'll be glass everywhere.
Yeah, I'm on live. Yeah.
I said 2 o'clock to him, alright.
Yeah.
I'm going to get your tools in.
Do you want me to go with you?
I didn't even want to
Do you want me to go with you?
Yeah, you can come with me if you
Alright.
want.
This is a lemon challenge and try it. I'm gonna try this one if it's improved to lose weight for 2 weeks. I will do it for 2 weeks every day. But I know you can be lose weight and low blood pressure, but I'm not doing too much. But I'm just doing, you know, what I feel, you know, because I'm getting bigger, getting round now. So I'm gonna do this one and have a look, and I will show all my, at the end of the 2 weeks, I'm gonna show all my waist, if I'm lost and belly. But I'm try to have exercise as well 3 times a week. So if it's have a look if we got improvement. But I feel like it's very nice lemon. I think it's very nice on the skin, because it seems like my skin is I can feel it that is, you know, it's very not, but I can feel it very, it's good for my face. I can feel it, you know. Seems like it's look my, it feel like I'm shiny on my face. No, you can see that's my normal face, no makeup, no lipstick, you know. So have a look and see, but it's very beautiful. You can see the juice on it. A bit sour. Keep sucking. Try to this is real fruit. So I'm gonna try for 2 weeks what the improvement is. So have a look if I can lose weight. I will let you know. Alright guys, okay? Thank you for viewing guys. And this is lemon challenge for losing weight, and for, I know you can Google it if you want, what lemon can do on your body. I know you got loads of it. So alright guys, thank you for viewing. Have a nice day. Bye bye.